Prevailing hypertension or increase in blood pressure is very common nowadays, even among the youngsters. So, have you ever heard that people who are suffering with hypertension have cured their heart problems or cardiovascular diseases? No, because they keep on taking medications for lifetime and lifelong. But the beauty of Ayurveda is when you start taking Ayurvedic medicines for your blood pressure, you not only cure yourself permanently, you will get rid of taking pills every day. Along with that, you will feel yourself more energetic and more better by mind, by soul, and by overall body, and physical strength will increase. So in Ayurveda, first of all, I just want to tell you what is the cause behind hypertension. We are taking fast food, ghee, maida, everything, means we never think before eat. So we are taking everything inside, and because of that our blood vessels get coagulated, we get atherosclerotic plaques. You can understand this thing in this way, as if we are watering the plants with some pipe, a normal pipe. You keep on using the same pipe for 5 years, for 10 years, for 15 years, for 20 years, but at some point of time you will feel that the pipe will get waste inside, so the water discharge will not be better. Means initially when you were watering the plants, the water flow was too good, but because of toxins, the water flow will get deteriorated, or it will get narrowing, or you won't get that much good flow of water. Same is with our case. If we don't detoxify our body, we are not going to get a healthy heart, we are not going to get the healthy blood vessels. Because of eating habits, by the age 20, 25, 30, we don't feel anything. But after the age of 30, instantly we start getting hypertension, blood pressure, and we used to say it can be genetic. I don't know from where it occurred, but you should know the root cause behind this. The sedentary lifestyle, lack of exercises, lack of yoga, lack of physical work, and intake of bad fat, intake of much of food that is not required by your body, intake of overeating. So all these factors contribute to the coagulation of the blood vessels, so that the blood stream get narrowed, and your heart need to pump more blood to get the proper blood pressure, to get the proper flow, because it has to pump the blood to all the organs. Heart is situated here, and it has to pump the blood even to your kidney, even to your spleen, pancreas, liver, everywhere. So it has to work hard. It needs to pump more blood, and so that the blood pressure gets increased. In Ayurveda, we are having Sarpagandha, Arjuna like herbs, which not only make your muscles, heart muscles much stronger, it also let the blood flow be in normal. So in Ayurveda, the company AVP is a South-based company. They have come up with a very beautiful formulation, and my patients are getting very good results. So I just had a thought to share the video on it, and it is very cost economic. You know, just a strip of medicine is costing 35 rupees, means 3.5 anybody can afford. Per tablet is costing rupees 3.5. So rupees 35 for 10 tablets is so much economical for everyone to use, and moreover it will not only heal you, you will get rid of taking pills every day. If you keep on taking it continuously for some period of time, after consulting your Ayurveda Acharya, like how much dose you require, you can heal yourself. I'll show you the medicine Cardiojeth by AVP. This is so good formulation, and it has the herbs like Dashmoolam, which reduces the oxidative stress. It has Triphala. Triphala also helps to regulate lipid profile, and it will, if you are obese, it will help you in get rid of your weight, extra weight. Pushkar Mool is one of the beautiful ingredient in this that also possesses the effective pharmacological effects against cardiovascular diseases. Again, it has Draksha. Draksha help inhibit the risk factor involved in the metabolic syndrome such as hyperlipidemia, hyperglycemia, hypertension. And one more beautiful ingredient is this Brahmi, Bacopa monnieri. You know, this helps to regulate stress biomarker levels and support the brain to combat the stressful conditions. It has Shigru. Shigru helps alleviate vascular dysfunction and oxidative stress. Again, the main ingredient is Sarpagandha. Appears to be safe and effective treatment for hypertension when used in appropriate low doses. And first time ever, any company has used Rudraksh in the medicine. Rudraksh helps to reduce adrenaline induced and also normalize your blood pressure. Last but not the least, Jatamansi. Jatamansi helps to reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in essential hypertension. So this Cardiojit medicine is really a very good combination of almost 15 herbs in Ayurveda, which not only make your heart healthy but also keep you spiritual by making you a better body, by giving you a better heart and better body. So I will surely recommend this Cardiojit to everyone to make yourself get rid of all the cardiovascular disorders and switch to Cardiojit. Thank you.